You know, when I was born, there were probably just over 1 million elephants on the continent of Africa, and sadly today, there's probably no more than 400,000. There's still so much we have yet to learn about them, and yet we kill them. And that's why Elephant Havens is so important, because a place like Elephant Havens is involving people, it's doing a lot for the local community, and it's become a community project. You know, before Elephant Havens started, people were in conflict with elephants. And now the community has become empowered through elephants. They've got access to water, they've got access to computers, they've learnt that elephants are not just things to be chased out of villages and killed, but they have a real, tangible benefit to these people. And that's why I'm very proud to support Elephant Havens, sit on the board and do a little something for these incredible creatures.